I recently bought some new pliers. These are Parkside ones. These are good, but I just think they're a little bit small for me. I think I've had these for around a year now, so I decided to buy some of temu. They had an offer on, so I bought quite a few tools, and these work out to be like, I think, about £2 each. Never heard of this brand before. LiTuiLi, I think that's what it's called. They come in these boxes. These looked better in the photo, to be fair, but they're not bad. Quite heavy, a little bit bigger than what I've got so far. So these are the cutters, and they've got wire strippers there in there as well. The finish is not that good, to be fair, but they were cheap anyway, so let me open all of them. The head's quite small on this one compared to this. There's a lot more metal in the Parkside one. These with the needle nose ones, similar size. Not a huge size difference in these two. These are a lot bigger. These are 1000-volt ones as well. The colour is a bit, I don't like the colour of them. Let me just try them out. Again, I bought this one as well. Yeah, so altogether there was quite a few tools I bought, and it sort of worked out altogether was about just over £2 each. That worked quite well. Bad cut there. I'll just use this to pop this off. I've got some thinner cable here as well. I'll pop this. Managed to do with this one. What I'll do is leave a link in the description of these. You can buy these on AliExpress as well, but they're a little bit more expensive. Temu, what you have to do is just wait for an offer they send you. Once you get an offer, you can get these really cheap. But happy with it. Really cheap. For DIY, they're perfect, to be fair.